Manuka is known for its invigorating scent and its ability to fight against antibiotic-resistant organisms. Manuka essential oil is derived from the New Zealand Manuka tree. This oil has a wide range of benefits, including antimicrobial properties. Manuka oil can treat wounds, skin infections, and even colds and flu symptoms. Manuka essential oil has a wide variety of therapeutic properties. One of the most important is that it is able to improve circulation, which can help treat conditions like colds or poor circulation in general. Also, Manuka oil can help to boost the immune system, making it an ideal oil to use during the winter. Therapeutic properties of Manuka oil include analgesic, anti-allergenic, antiviral, antibacterial, antihistamine, anti-inflammatory, antimicrobial, antispasmodic, deodorant, expectorant, and sedative. Manuka oil is a middle note.